Happy Vlogmas, everyone. I'm Phil.
And I'm Colleen.
And this is Mouse and Mermaid. And today on Mouse and Mermaid, we're going to be doing some Christmas candy reviews.
Yay! But first, let's see what pin I got today. A very merry December 13th and day 13 of Vlogmas. We are going to kick this video off with my pin advent calendar. It was curated by my friend Mary over at Jolly Holiday with Mary. So I highly encourage you, after you watch this video, to go head over to her channel and see what pin I curated for her that she unboxed today. Today we're opening up this little house and it has a little chimney with some smoke coming out. Everyone's really getting ready for Christmas in these houses. Oh my gosh. Okay, I love all the Duffy Friend pins, but I'm pretty sure this is my favorite pin so far because I don't have any pins that I own for this. Phil has one. It's Phil's, but it's not mine. This is a Disney Vacation Club pin, my very first Disney Vacation Club. This pin is so special because we are going on our welcome home trip this December and I can't wait. So little Minnie here is lounging on the beach. She has some tropical flowers all around her, and on the bottom it says Disney Vacation Club. Mary, thank you so much. Now let's get into today's video. Alright guys, I'm super excited for some holiday candy, Christmas candy, seasonal treats. Phil, do you like candy around the holiday season?
Yeah, why not?
So first up, we're going to be having Hot Cocoa Kisses. These are Hershey Kisses. Oh, they smell like hot cocoa.
Really?
Yeah.
Chocolates.
Oh, I like the wrapper thing is brown. The actual like tag coming out of the wrapper, I mean. No.
Tastes like a Hershey's Kiss.
Yeah, but I thought there was going to be little marshmallows in it. It has a marshmallow flavored cream.
Right. That doesn't taste like anything.
Yeah, these aren't anything special.
They actually taste like kind of worse than a standard chocolate kiss because they have that chemically marshmallow cream in it, and all you get is like that chemically aftertaste.
Yeah, I want more of the chocolate.
Artificial aftertaste.
Sugar cookie M&Ms. I've never actually seen these before. Neither have I seen the hot cocoa things. What color do you want?
Red. No, green.
Green. That's fun.
Tastes like cotton candy.
That doesn't. Tastes like sugar cookie. But you don't taste it at first. It comes at the end. I wouldn't get these again though. They're not
terrible.
They're not terrible. I'd rather have an actual sugar cookie.
I mean, at least these candy companies are trying to get creative. It's not like putting the same old stuff out over and over and over again. They're doing their best, and I applaud them for that.
The inside's like a cookie.
Yeah.
It's weird.
Yeah.
Since we're on a sugar cookie kick, we also got the sugar cookie kisses. We'll see how these live up.
You can't open bags. It's like
You can't open them either.
Sealed with titanium glue.
These have fun little holiday shaped sprinkles on the outside of the foil. And it looks like it has sprinkles inside the little candy. Crunchy. This tastes way too white chocolatey for me. Very white chocolate.
Not my thing.
Anything with white chocolate, I think you can't get rid of that taste. They don't taste like sugar cookie at all. It just tastes like white chocolate with sprinkles in it. If you like white chocolate, I guess they would be good, but who likes white chocolate?
Actually, really the only chocolate I like is cocoa dusted actual truffles. Very specific chocolate.
From Aldi.
Yeah, they're good. I don't care where they're from.
I steal them all the time.
She buys them. She steals them from me. She steals them from me, not the store.
Oh no, true. All right, more M&Ms. We got the peppermint kind. So maybe these will do better.
I'm so sick of peppermint right now.
Oh wow. Oh my gosh, these are like straight up a candy cane smell. These are good. The texture is very weird. It doesn't have the normal crunch of an M&M.
No, I like it.
It's very soft.
I like it a lot.
These are like, again, like in Andy's Mint.
This is the first thing that is as advertised. No, thank you. That's a win.
These are fun. And what's nice about these is they're not the kind of candy you'd like have 50 of. You would like enjoy maybe like 5 and be good.
Yeah.
It's almost like an after dinner mint.
Yeah, you won't eat the whole bag.
Super excited about these. They're Jelly Belly, but holiday flavors. There's eggnog, candy cane, pumpkin pie, cranberry sauce, and hot cocoa.
Okay.
So.
A little apprehensive about the eggnog one, but okay.
Really?
Actually, you know what? Jelly Belly do a great job.
They do.
Flavors. So Jelly Bellies, I hate jelly beans, but I love Jelly Bellies. Especially the buttered popcorn ones. It's a nice little presentation.
Yeah, they have good packaging at Jelly Belly. So they're all separated in their little jelly bean compartments. So first one is hot cocoa. That's hot cocoa.
Tastes like a Tootsie Roll.
Maybe Tootsie Rolls are supposed to be hot cocoa. Next one up is eggnog. Oh yeah. Oh, that's really good.
That's eggnog. That's really good.
We love eggnog. I would just want a whole pack of the eggnog.
Eggnog and buttered popcorn for the win.
Next is pumpkin pie.
Nope.
I feel like it's more peach.
It just tastes like sugar to me.
Yeah, it tastes like a sugared fruit, not pumpkin pie.
Missed the mark on that one, Jelly Belly, but we'll forgive you. I hate pumpkin pie.
I'm not a huge fan, but I did have a really good one this year. Candy cane.
I wonder if this will taste like peppermint.
Oh yeah. But also like really sweet.
Gross.
I don't like, this tastes like candy cane and I don't like candy canes.
No one likes candy canes. If you like candy cane, no you don't.
And the last one is cranberry sauce, which I love.
I can't wait to taste cranberry and peppermint.
Yeah, they should have put the peppermint last.
What's it taste like, peppermint?
No, you taste the cranberry sauce. It's good. I like cranberry. Really good. Eggnog.
Tastes exactly like cranberry sauce.
Eggnog and cranberry sauce are eons better than the rest. The other ones are like, not great. All right, last one is Oreo peppermint bark. I like Oreos, but I'm nervous this will taste too much white chocolate. It's like this little bark piece. That's good.
It's really good.
Yeah, you mostly taste the Oreo and like a hint of peppermint.
I'd eat that whole thing right now. Win.
Yeah, this is pretty good. Definitely like a lot of candy, chocolatey flavor too. So what was your favorite?
Peppermint bark.
Mine were the Jelly Bellies, just the eggnog and the cranberry sauce though.
Those were definitely my second favorite.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for watching. Please give us a big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and comment below. Tell me, have you had any of these candies? Which one would you try? Are you gonna go buy some right now? And if you already haven't, we would love for you to join the Mouse and Mermaid family. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. If you are already a subscriber, we would love for you to join in on more of our videos. I hope that you guys have a very Merry Christmas, peace, love, and Kwaherini. Before you go, we wanted to make sure you had a chance to catch our feature in-park video for Vlogmas. You can find a link to the video up above or down in the description. Today's video is simply a POV from our 2016 Walt Disney World trip on New Year's Eve of Small World. I hope you'll go give it a watch.